Hello guys, in this video we're gonna review the Zandu Livital Liver Detox tablets. This is a pack of 90 tablets and it costed me 278 rupees and I bought it from Amazon. It is 100% Ayurvedic. Contains Kalmag, Tamalaki, Katuka, Rohitaka, Guduchi, Bhringaraj and etc. which supports heart liver health. I will share the result after 2 months.